with another video in today. Guys, I'll be talking about why leverage trading meme coins is way better than trading meme coins such as Bullix or an Axiom, right? The reason why is because number 1, lowest trading fees ever. Alright, on a platform like this, you get dollars in fees when you open and close the position rather than having to spend upfront a lot of gas fees. You can get to enter is way quicker in and out. You lose a lot of money on gas fees when it comes to this number to obviously these ones. Just think when you're trading on, main coins, let's say this platform, right? This is non-KC. Don't need to I seek to sign up on this. It has 0 fees for meme coins. You go to meme coins, right? We have so many meme coins that we can trade. Look at that 7 pages that it goes up to right in per page. There's 30, 20 coins, 1, 2, 3, 30 coins. So 30 times, and that's a lot of meme coins. You can trade just on this platform alone, right? So let's cap 8% down in the past. What? 24 hours, I'm sure. And you can trade this literally with 20x leverage. Enter a $1 position and you can make a lot of money. I'm telling you, bro, I'm not joking when I'm telling you this stuff, right? So that's number 2. Number 3 is that when you're trading Bullix and Axiom, you are PvP. Okay, we're literally PvP when you're actually trading meme coins because it's all your own liquidity up front to get into these positions. Okay, so it's not leveraged. When you're using leverage, you're borrowing the exchange's liquidity at the expense of your own liquidity. So let's say you have $100 on KCX. You can leverage that $1,000, $10,000, 5 that whatever you. That's what leverage does. You're not leveraging anything. Leveraging is the low liquidity that causes the fluctuation volume. So if you have $100 you put into a low market cap, let's say you get a good entry. $10,000 market, $1,000 market cap, that's a 10x. So you got dollars from that trade. So that's the difference, right? But the thing is, you can also lose very, very quickly. The likelihood if you're only losing $10 in that trade is close to slim. You're most likely going to lose at least 50% of that position if the trade does go against you. Sometimes even more than 100. You can literally enter trade on Bullix or Axiom with the $100 and come out with pennies. That's literally how it works. Or you can enter a leverage position on KCX. Have a $10 stop loss and risk that up to you. Now, let's say $1,000. You can get, a 10x on a $100 position only risking $10 at all. Stop loss placement. So let's say I had entered a short right now. Let's say I was short right now with leverage 20x leverage. Go ahead and grab a short position. Let's say I had entered a short position on this and I had a very tight stop loss, right? I had a very tight stop loss of, let's say, 0.8%. Right, 0.008. And let's say if I take profit is at this order block. That is a 1 to 10. Risk $10 in that trade, right? That alone is already going to get me 100. No, I'm not risking. My point is that you're risking $10. You can make way much more than that. Alright, so if you have $100 in this position, you can, $300-$500 just off of this small move with high leverage. With a very, very tight stop loss, right? So with this, it's a lot different when you're trading Bullix or Axiom. The reason why it's better is because you can actually have risk management. When it comes to leverage trading, you have stop losses when you're trading on Bullix. Axiom, you have exits. Okay. You don't really get to decide what you're going to get to exit with. Trust me, right? Let's say don't Trump. Don't let me see if I can see my trade position. Right. Let me see if I can. I can't even find it. Let's say I had entered this trade with $100. I literally lose $86 in my trade. Now, if I enter this trade with $100, I have a $10 stop loss. If I get stopped, I lose $10. Let's say $100. Okay, you see the risk reward there, when it comes to trading, name the coins. I'm not going to listen to any of you people because the only select few of people are very professional, high and fast in and out traders. And most of them are all YouTubers and stuff who are farming and scalping you guys. And the other percent of all people are people just genuinely get lucky. I'm not saying you can't make money. I'm just saying it's very, very hard for the average beginner and the average. Because if you go on YouTube and you watch the average trader average trader, these YouTubers saying trading once a lot into a million. I'm talking about average beginners. They're not making any money. That's the reality of it now. Beginner, you can really make money, right? Okay, let's say off of this, I can take a short right here. Okay, I just missed that. I literally just missed that, boom. I was going to take a live trade for you guys. Right there. I was going to take a live trade to enter that live trade. Alright, we're getting a retracement of this previous resistance, right? This is a previous support flipped into resistance, right? Boom. I love entering off of this very, very tight stop loss and boom. That would have been 1 to 6. I was about to enter that trade right there for you guys. I was just too slow. I wish I was quicker, but whatever, right there, you could have just made money. And number 4 is that you can make money even if price goes down. You cannot make money when prices go down on meme coins. You can only make money when prices go up on coins when you trade on Axiom or Trump. Doge because you're holding the asset. So you're dependent on the asset to only go up. That's the problem. At the high end with money as it goes down. That is way better in my opinion than only being able to make money on when price goes up. Don't you see? So you can hold on, my microphone fell. Okay. Don't you see guys that you can literally make money when price goes up and when price goes down? So you have way much more opportunity. In fact, you have double the opportunity, right? So you're depending and waiting to find the meme coin that you know is going to go up and only going to go up. So you're dependent on price to go up. It's very hopium-like. So now let's say you have JEETs. Let's see, you have JEETs, bro. Look at that, look at this support. Look at the resistance. That's literally a 1% move, like that's insane from when we already spoke. This has already moved. If you leverage that 20 times, that's insane. That's like 40% gains, like that's what I'm saying guys. There's so much potential actually trading meme coins on exchanges because you can short these markets. All you have to do is learn proper risk management and learn proper technical analysis. So you can approach this market to make money when it comes to this. No technical analysis. Yeah, you have. You can buy resist. You can buy supports. You can buy retracements. Blah, 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 whatever. But you can't short the market. You can't have stop losses, right? You can have limit orders, right? But that's what I'm just saying. There's much more potential in trading these when rather than trading this. Because you can only make money when price goes up. Which is very annoying because we all know JEETs. When people cheat coins like this, you can actually make money when people are cheating. Okay, and number 5 is that there's longevity in these markets. You can be trading meme coin to leverage with technical analysis in the next 5 years. You're not going to be trading breaking Bolex in the next 5 years. It's probably going to exist in the next 5 years. And I know that speaking from like experience trading pool coin. If you guys don't even know what pool coin is, I'm going to show you what pool coin is. Everybody used to trade for Binance coins and the only way able to make money is pre-sales and stuff. Nobody trades this stuff anymore. Like literally, it's just dead. Like it's literally dead, bro. Nothing is starred. If I go to trade, like there's just nothing. On this platform is dead. There used to be like so many like coins. So I'm saying there's just nothing here anymore. Where's the coins? There's nothing here, baby. Doge, what even is this, right? Baby Doge is dead. Look at this, completely dead. Just rug it out. So I'm saying guys, that's why these platforms, you can't rely on them forever. You need to learn how to skill set. That's going to last you 5, 10 years in technical analysis. These exchanges are always going to be here. This exchange has no kissies, so you can sign up with no kissies. I'm going to leave the link in the description. It's the best platform. Like I literally love it so much. It's where I make all my money from. And yeah, that's really it, guys. I believe you learn a real skill set if you want to trade. Memo coins do it. Like just do it with technical analysis. Stay away from Axiom. You are liquid entity. You're being used to make liquidity. It's PvP. Instead, when you're trading like this, you're trading against the market. Instead of trading against other people, you know, trading against yourself. You have technical analysis. You have an edge. You have risk. And you have something that's going to be consistent and long-term. And you can make millions. Just as you can make millions for meme coins trading on Bolex. Okay, you can make millions trading on meme coins on exchanges with leverage and stop losses. And you can also make millions from Axiom and bulks. It just depends on what you want to do. And it depends on how you want to do this. I say you take the more professional approach. It has more longevity. And it has more consistency. Hope you guys enjoy. I will now see you guys later.